Hello, my name is John. I will introduce my homestay family. Listen please. First, my homestay mom. My homestay mom name is Cherry, and she is 38 years old. Job is housewife, one or no job. And my homestay mom hometown is Auckland. Next, my homestay father name is Sean. He is 45 years old. My homestay father job is IT, and my homestay father hometown is Wellington. Last, my homestay kid name is Dylan. He's 9 years old. Job is no job. It's student. Finish. Next, I introduced my homestay family hobby. My homestay mom hobby is cooking and reading a book. Next, my homestay kid Dylan hobby is playing Xbox. Last, my homestay father hobby is computer because my homestay father job is IT. Finish. Thank you for listening.